Like you got, I don't know if you guys can tell, that thing looks 3D or 4D, like it's coming out at you. That's crazy. Like, I can't leave without getting me some pizza, so I'm about to go here and give me a nice big old slice of pizza. Look at how big that slice of pizza is, boy. This place right here is really good. The slices are really big, they're filling. A lot of grease on them, but it's a really good food. Something you want to pick up for like a snack while you're on Hollywood Boulevard. You gotta come out here and check out some of the pizza, some of the Chinese food, whatever else you want to get. They got it for you in Hollywood if you're not from California. Come out here, man. We lit, especially for the summertime. Hoodie Mellows, they just dropped a few weeks back. I missed out on them. 140? What's good, YouTube? And shout out to everybody watching on the foxhole.com. It's your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker review. We about to talk about some fire today. We about to talk about some fire today. Not these bad boys right here, which is definitely a fire shoe, the Kyrie 4 Mamba Mentality. Probably my favorite colorway yet of the Kyrie 4s that have dropped. But we're not talking about that bad boy. If you want to see a review on that, go ahead and check the channel out. I got a review exclusively on these shoes. We about to talk about what's in this box right here by the man you see, Kyrie. I'm about to say Kyrie 4. Kyrie Irving. It's the Kyrie 4. This is a grade school release. A little bit of a different video, but you know what? I have sneaker, subscribers from all ages and all generations. So I'm sure there's somebody out there who could fit this, or maybe you have a little brother or a little cousin or a little sister maybe that you want to have some swag. Sorry if I shake the camera. Some swag, you can go ahead and cop these. They were pretty much a general release, but not a lot of places had them, if that makes any sense. They made them seem like they were available, but they didn't have them at a lot of locations. I guess for the most part, you had to buy them online. Maybe that's what it was. But I went by the Shoe Palace in Hollywood, like I told you, man. That store got what you need, from shoes to accessories to gear. They got all the limited releases, man. Most of the time it's first come, first serve. You got to be the early bird to get the worm. And of course, it's, the summer's right around the corner, man. So it's about to get lit. Hopefully everybody be safe. No accidents or fights or anything crazy happen. But the first come, first serve is dope. Camping out, whatever, that's what sneakerheads do. I don't, but most people do, and maybe I might have to. I've always wanted to get into that because I think it's kind of fun, just the element of it. But let me know in the comment section if that's something you guys want. Enough talk about that. Let's talk about what's in this box, right? Crazy, 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 crazy. These right here are fire. Let me pull this one out the box. I don't know, man. I think I do know. These are fire. Let me know what you guys think. Let me go ahead and put this box down right here. Kyrie 4 Tiffany colorway, they call it. I mean, it looks a little different than what I saw, but it's also at the same time very dope. It has the snakeskin type or leather pattern on it with a stitched Kyrie. And just look at the shoe, man. Of course, your boy's gonna get an up close and personal review with the light on it and everything, so you guys can get a clear, detailed stitching of how the shoe looks if it doesn't do you justice right here. But look at the shoe, man. It's so small. I'm not even, look at the size difference, bro. Look at the size. This is my size 13 and this is a 7 wide. It's crazy. But I like it. I mean, it feels like this is almost the same color, this Tiffany and this right here, right? Or am I off? Let me know if it's the same or not. Am I colorblind? I think it's kind of the same. This is a pretty dope shoe. It's got like a leather type of print on it, man. I'm not sure how great the leather feels. I mean, it feels good. It's over here on the heel of the shoe, the back part of the shoe and the toe part. Shoe is very dope. It feels like it could be a premium Kyrie, but it was only $100 because it's a GS size. The logo, the Kyrie logo on there, it's kind of plastic a little bit. It's about the same. Not the same as on the regular Kyrie. I mean, the shoe is dope. The overall coloring is nice. You got the black knit over it with the Tiffany coloring underneath. It's a dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section, man. Of course, there will be no on feet because these are size 7. I'm a size 13. Let me go ahead and get this other one out the box. Here you go. Here's both of them. Here's both of them. Tell me your honest opinions and thoughts on this Kyrie 4. It's like the Tiffany colorway. That's what I heard them to be called. pretty dope though, man. Kyrie does it again. And you know what? I'll be jealous because he always be, you know, they always hook up the GS sizes, the grade school sizes, or be crazy colorways. But this is fire, man. Let me know if you guys agree. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Some fire colorways, man. What can you say? Fire colorways from Nike and Kyrie. I'm very curious to see how much input he has on these shoes because they come out with some fire colorways that look good on feet. I don't know, either he's doing it, his designer, whoever, but they're coming out with a great product. If you agree, smash that like button. It's your boy Bossco. Without further ado, we're gonna get to these little highlights of the shoe, up close and personal visuals to maybe help you make the decision if you want to buy them or not. Like I said, there weren't a lot of stores that had them in store, but you can find them online. So hopefully this review can help you. If it did, smash that like button. It's your boy Bossco Mitchell. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. We will start the giveaways. Summertime's coming around. I'm trying to get some things in the works so that way I can do that for you guys. It will be sneaker related stuff. Let me know if you guys want that, what you guys suggest. I don't know, whatever, man. Share the video, watch it all the way through. It's your boy Bossco. Once again, thank you to everybody who is subscribed. And if you're not, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We out. Peace. Peace.